Hey everyone, it's Adam with the 40K formula, and I love Screencast-O-Matic, by the way. I've been recording a lot of these screen capture videos, actually all of them with Screencast-O-Matic. So that's one of the great tools that I would recommend if you're looking to do screen captures. There is a free version of it that I believe you can record up to 15 minutes for free. I don't know if it gives you all of the editing features, but to be honest with you, I haven't really edited these videos at all. So head on over to Screencast-O-Matic, Google it, and start using it because it's an amazing screen capture tool. So I just decided to record this quick video and talk about email swipes, and kind of adding on to what the training video was yesterday about uh, email autoresponders and follow-ups versus broadcasts. So a lot of times, when you're first getting started, you might kind of be at a loss for what to broadcast on a daily basis, even though if you watch the video that I recorded, I recommended that you talk about your daily blog. So that's definitely one strategy that you can use. But we want to create kind of a toolbox full of different ways to do this. So this video is focused on email swipes. Okay, so in the internet marketing realm, there's lots of different types of swipes, and basically a swipe is just taking copy from one source and using it in your marketing material. So this is an email swipe. So basically I'm subscribed to a lot of different people's lists, and let me just highlight that. One particular person, and here's one thing I would recommend. Go to the leaderboard and make sure that you opt in to all of the top leaders uh, um, capture pages, so you get their email, you get on their list, right? Um, every day they're going to be sending you at least one or two pieces of correspondence. One of them is probably going to be a follow-up email, and the other one is probably going to be a broadcast. What you can do is you can look at that email and you can literally take that copy and swipe it and put it in your own email broadcast. So I'm just going to go through this as quick as I can. I go into depth on how to do a broadcast email in the other training video that I did. So Alex Zubrev is a top performer. Actually got a chance to talk to him in Denver a couple weeks ago. I actually had breakfast with him, and Michelangelo Lopez and a few other people. Super nice guy. He emails 2 or 3 times a day, and I just really loved this particular email, and it caused me to want to swipe some of this and send it out to my list. So that's what I'm going to do today on Sunday. So here's pretty much how you can do it. Now, I started reading a lot of this, and this is a kind of a lengthy email. You see how long it is. For me personally, I don't like emails that are this long. So I read through it and I'm like, okay, I really love this income disclaimer that he's put right at the top. And that's something that we all need to be doing in our emails and all of our correspondence, videos, everything is put an income disclaimer if we're talking about incomes. And this particular email is talking about incomes. Even if it's not, I think it's a great idea to put that on top anyway, to direct people to the income disclaimer page that's coded with your user ID. Because if they do go there just because they're curious to see that page, just take a look at what happens. So I'm clicking on that, right? And it's going to this income disclaimer, and you'll see at the top, if they're curious, they're going to start browsing around, and everything will be coded to your user ID, right? So it's a great way to get people browsing around the Empower Network website as well. So back to the email. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to highlight this, and I think this is good because people are like, well, how do I get the picture into my broadcast, right? So I'm copying down to just to this part right here. This is what I like. So Control C. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my autoresponder program, which is I still have a bunch of subscribers in GVO, but I'm not going to do it in GVO. I'm going to show you how to do it in Aweber, because that's what the whole team is using going forward. It's just a more stable full-featured, more functional autoresponder than GVO. That's why I'm back. So logging into my Aweber account. As you can see, I'm still starting to build my list from scratch. I haven't brought my other subscribers from my GVO list over. So here we go. We're going to go to messages and broadcasts. Actually, there's a green button right on the front page too to create a broadcast. So hit create broadcast. And when I did this tutorial the other day and I sent that out, that broadcast out, it was center aligned. So you can see how it says here plane center aligned. If you click this box right here, it will be left aligned. It's a personal preference if you want to do it left or center. Once you do left aligned, just click that cancel button to get the template manager out of the way, and then also click within this block editor and close that out. So then you're dragging down a paragraph. Again, I told you I was going to go through this really quickly. If you haven't done this yet, go back to that other video and watch it. So basically all I'm doing is I'm pasting in that copy, right? I'm swiping that copy, putting it in there. So I do like this at the top, right? But this is all plain text at this point. So what you need to do is you need to add a hyperlink to whatever area. So for instance, in this income disclaimer, results aren't typical. Click this link to see average earnings, right? So you want to highlight that part, and this is the part that you're going to hyperlink. So you go up to the hyperlink button, right? So this is the link button up there. You click it, and this is where you're going to put in your income disclaimer. So if I just go back to Alex's here, very simple, cut and paste, just add my name there. Right? And okay, I was gonna teach something a little bit more advanced, but I'm not gonna do that in this lesson. So I'm just copying that. I'm going back here, putting that in there. Okay. So now that's going to code right to my income disclosure page. Okay, so going down here, 700 people making over 5K. The proof right here, watch our new video. Again, here's another link that you need to enable, right? This is just going to the commission loophole. So let me just shortcut that real quick by going there right here. Cool, right? So let me just stop that and grab this. See how easy this is? So you just grab that URL. Copy over here. Okay, highlighted link, paste. Okay, so that's going to take to the new video. Allow pics to show. So this is where the picture that he has is in there. Now, here's what you need to do. In Aweber, once you have this block text, the picture can't be inside the block text, it has to be outside. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take, this is where I want the picture to go, but I need to take all the rest of this text and I need to cut it out of there. Let's just get rid of those spaces. And I need to put it in its own block text. So bringing that paragraph down, getting rid of the filler, pasting that in. You see how I did that? So now I've got two pieces of a block text. That way I can take an image and I can put it in the middle. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that image from the email. So there's this one, and I saw another one down here that I liked. That one. It's actually a little bit smaller, but I do like it. So here's the trick with Jing. Here's my Jing. I'm grabbing the picture here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to host this on Screencast, so I don't have to download the picture and upload it and host it myself on any other server other than Screencast. Basically, you can just link the URL to your email. Okay, so view on Screencast. There's the picture. Once again, click the picture to get the actual URL link. I'm going to grab that. Go back over here. Again, all of this is covered a little bit more in detail in the other training. Okay, so there's the picture. Okay, now you can also make that a hot link to anything that you want. So for instance, you can make it a join link. You can make it anything. So I'm going to make that a join link. If someone clicks on that picture, it's going to go to my join page. Alt image text. Okay, 700 people earning over 5K. Incredible. That's the image text. Okay, so now the image is there. Okay, so going down, is this for everyone? No, it's not for everyone. I just love this email. Oh, the other thing that I'm going to do here is, forgot, highlight. I'm going to increase the font size. Okay, just so it's easier for people to see. And again, you can see that Alex is adhering to the 6 to 8 character width on the emails with lots of white space. You see that? See how much white space he's got in there? There's a reason that this guy is in the top 10 in earners. He also sent out an email that he just crossed over $400,000 income in Empower Network. And I believe he's been involved since January. So I like following leaders that produce results. Down here, highlight, whoops, increase the size. Trying to do this as fast as I can. Is this for everyone? No, it's not for everyone. I'm going to bold that and I'm going to italicize. You can do whatever you like. Okay. Okay, so there's the end of the block text, and now I'm just going to add. Get started now. On your own journey. Okay, so you can do a couple different things here. You can link that, or what I'm going to do is I'm just, for some people that don't like clicking on a link that they can't see the actual URL, I'm going to put the URL in there, which is what is it? www. Oh, let me just grab this up here real quick. Probably would have been faster just to type it, but yeah, it would have been a lot faster. Okay, sorry. / powernetwork.com/join.php. Okay. So what you can do is highlight that. You can either use a global snippet, or you can just, once you highlight a URL, it's going to populate it. I'm sorry, not personalize. No. Okay. One more time. Sorry. Trying to show you too many things all at once here. This is what makes videos longer when you make a mistake. Empower Network. Net-o-work, you see? Losing it now. network.com/join.php. And I also did not put my user ID in there. So Krishnamark ID equals Madam Ward. Okay, there's the proper URL. Now I just click hyperlink and it automatically puts it in there. And that's it, other than your signature. This is where I'm going to grab that global snippet. Cool. So let's save this. And I did not put a subject title yet. So let's look at Alex's, see what Alex put. Alex was, these are the 700 people. Okay, so let's go back over there and put 700 people on stage. More social proof. How about undeniable? Undeniable social proof. Here. Okay, so now we've got that. One thing you want to do, absolutely, before you send this, is you want to test it. Please test everything that you. That's weird too, because that's not left. That's not left. Left aligning. That's up here. Okay. So you know, this is a little bit off, and I'm not going to use this video to fix it because I want it to be as short as possible. But this is going to get the idea across. Okay, let's check this link. Okay, it's coding correctly. Over here, go back over here. Okay, going down. You personally believe in hype. You do want to spell check it and also check it for grammar. Proof that anyone dreams right here. New video. Check that link. Okay, that's coding correctly. So you need to take the time to check all this stuff because once you send it out, I see other marketers and they send follow-up emails going, "Oops, wrong link." Don't be that. Don't be that guy or girl. Oh, look at that. This brand new video. So I need to hotlink that right there. Okay. All this stuff again. It's not the same font size. So going back, I need to add a hotlink and the font size. So let me just do that real quick. Go back before we launch this new video because it's very simple and easy to do. Right, so you can take this, click on that, oops, grab that, I'm copying, going down here into this block of text right here, link, pasting, okay, and just need to highlight all that stuff and get that to 16 pixels. Okay, so there it is. This can actually, yeah, that's fine. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so it's the center, but now everything is kind of aligned. So save. This is good to go now. I've checked it, I fixed the errors, and I want to go, and I want to, don't want to share it to my social networks right now, and click publish up here, publish number 3. Okay, you can schedule it for another time. I'm going to send this right now, so I'm saving the whole thing, and then you'll see the next screen where you can actually queue it. Send now. Spam score 0. I love it. Sometimes when you swipe, it's already been sent out a lot. It's got some spammy stuff that, not spammy stuff, let me reframe that. Stuff that spam filters consider spammy words. So if you get a score up there, make sure you click on it and fix what it tells you is kind of spammy about the message if you're swiping from someone else. Okay, so there it is. Send now. Send the message now. Yes. Done. Hope you enjoyed that. See you on the next video.